Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video, we are going to learn how to add and install the printer driver of your Canon PIXMA G4010 network printer into your Windows wireless device or laptop. But before doing this method, make sure to connect your printer first into your Wi-Fi network router. If don't have yet connected your printer into your Wi-Fi network router, please check the first part of this video, the link down on the description of this video, to connect your printer into your Wi-Fi router, and then after, you can proceed this second method. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Enable your device Wi-Fi and check your laptop Wi-Fi network connection. Make sure to connect your laptop to the Wi-Fi network router, is where your Canon PIXMA printer device is connected to, or they must connected in the same Wi-Fi network router. Then second step, we were going to click search bar and type in control panel. Then click to open the control panel. Then click on View Devices and Printers under Hardware and Sound category. Then we are going to click on Printers and Scanners and click Add Device. And automatically it will searching for available devices, and when the devices is available, the device-specific model will appear in the list. So just click Add Device to add your Canon printer device. Then now the device added successfully. Then as we can see here, the device is needed to install the printer driver to be able to complete the paper sizes and other printer settings. So now we are going to open any available browser of your device to download the printer driver from Canon official support site. Then here we are going to type in google.com. Then hit enter. Then search for Canon PIXMA G4010 driver. And I highly recommend to download the driver from their official support website. Then click download. Then click the file to open and install the printer driver. Click Yes to continue. Click Start Setup. Then click Next. And click Yes on License Agreement to proceed. Click Agree. and then click Yes to allow the printer to be used with a Wi-Fi connection, as it's automatically detected with the printer driver application. Then now it says processing, and at this moment your printer is being registered to your computer. So just wait on it until it finishes, because this process may take some time. Then hear it prompt this security message, so just choose Allow to allow the network and access Canon driver installer. On Print Head Alignment, just click Next. Then click Start to run a test print. And now printer has been successfully added into our laptop, and it's ready for printing wirelessly using your Wi-Fi network connection. Then click Next to proceed. And here it says, Setup complete. Then just click Next. On additional software, you can install it or clear all to skip and click Next. So now we will be able to print from smartphones or tablets wirelessly using this Canon PIXMA G4010 printer. You can view more instructions or just click Next to continue. Then click Exit to finish setup. And that's how simple it is to add your Canon PIXMA G4010 printer into your laptop using your Wi-Fi network connection. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.